Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily make rounded corners in Figma. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just have a position of rectangle, then click on it, and right here you will see this button. I don't even know how, like square independent corners. And then what you want to do is just click here, and change this to like 50. And change this also to this 50, and in whatever you go you can see like it changes. So right now I'm editing this one, and now I'm editing this one, and voila. Yeah, let's change it to 50, and here I got it. So this is how you make rounded corners in Figma. Really simple, really cool, and you can make like really cool designs. Yep. Oh no. Okay, and now I got the menu. Really simple, really easy, really quick. And you can do so many things in this program. It's crazy. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya.